Alright guys, so it took me a little while to get back into this car. Got the car running now. See if you can see it in this shot. It's smoking pretty bad. Whenever it is idling, it doesn't misfire. Whenever you rev it, it blinks the engine light, which is a cylinder misfire. On this car, it's telling me cylinder 4 misfire. I just replaced this fuel pump back here because I had no fuel pressure and no power coming to this or from this. Now we're gonna dive into this some more. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update on it. I'm not too looking forward to this. I'm trying to check the engine oil level now because these stupid cars don't have a dipstick. But anyways, like I said, I want to make sure this cap back here is nice and tight. We're gonna put the cover back on, put the seat back in it, and then we're gonna, I guess, check under the hood, and we're gonna go from there. The amount of oil that's coming into it, it's blue, what it looks like coming out. It's possible it could be piston rings. It's possible, by chance, hopefully, could be a PCV valve system. Yeah, it's still smoking kind of right now, but unfortunately, guys, this is where I'm at. Like I said, told you I'd take you through the steps with me to get it running. I wasn't able to really show you the diagnosis of this vehicle to show you how the fuel pump is, but if you turn on your fuel pump with this back seat out and you don't hear anything coming from that, you need to check your wiring or you need to replace your fuel pump 100%. Say you get another fuel pump that's returnable, you just plug it in. It's still in the box, in the bag, turn the car on, trying to start it. If you hear any noise coming from it, then it's obviously your fuel pump. Now in this instance, whenever you've got engine light misfiring, you've obviously got a cylinder 4 misfire, you got smoke coming out the back, you're gonna have to dive into this, delve in, whatever the hell you want to call it, a little bit more. Probably gonna end up having to do a compression test on it too when it's all said and done. So like I said, I'd take you guys with me, let you know. That's where I'm at. So if anyone's curious, anyone has any questions, like I said, check out my Instagram, CodyDoesIt89. If you guys have any questions, man, as always, like, comment, subscribe, and I told you I'd get you this footage of this Audi running, even though it's smoking like a sieve back there. It's terrible. So we're gonna shut this off before this car blows the fuck up.